Awning windows have become a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg, South Carolina, and it's no surprise why. With their distinctive design and functional advantages, these windows add both style and practicality to any home. Whether you're building a new house or renovating an existing one, awning windows can elevate your space while providing long-lasting benefits. In this article, we'll explore the top reasons why awning windows are an excellent investment for Orangeburg homeowners. Superior ventilation. One of the most significant advantages of awning windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation, even during light rain. Hinged at the top and opening outward, these windows create a natural canopy that keeps water out while allowing fresh air to flow in. In Orangeburg, where warm and humid weather is common, proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining indoor comfort. Awning windows are especially effective in areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and basements, where airflow can help reduce moisture and prevent mold growth. Weather protection. Awning windows are designed to perform well in all weather conditions, making them ideal for Orangeburg's variable climate. Their outward opening design ensures that rainwater flows away from the window, preventing leaks and water damage. This feature is particularly useful during the region's occasional storms or heavy rainfall. By installing awning windows, homeowners can enjoy fresh air without worrying about water seeping inside. Their durable seals and strong frames also provide excellent protection against wind and drafts. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for many Orangeburg residents, especially during the hot summer months when cooling costs can soar. Awning windows can help reduce energy consumption by promoting natural ventilation and reducing the need for air conditioning. Modern awning windows are available with energy-efficient features such as low E glass, reflects heat while allowing natural light to enter. Double or triple pane glass, improves insulation and minimizes heat transfer. Weather-tight seals, prevents air leakage and keeps your home comfortable year-round. These energy-saving features can lead to lower utility bills and a smaller environmental footprint. Versatile design options. Awning windows are incredibly versatile and can be customized to suit a variety of home styles, from traditional to contemporary. Their clean lines and sleek appearance make them a perfect fit for Orangeburg's diverse architectural landscape. They can be installed as standalone windows, paired with fixed-picture windows, or even combined with other window styles for a unique look. Awning windows work well in hard-to-reach places, such as above sinks or countertops, and can enhance the overall aesthetic of any room. Enhanced natural light. Natural light is a valuable asset in any home, and awning windows are an excellent way to maximize it. Their wide, unobstructed glass panes allow sunlight to flood into your living spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Strategically placing awning windows in your home can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs. Whether installed in a living room, bedroom, or hallway, these windows bring brightness and life to any space. Increased privacy. For homeowners who value privacy but don't want to sacrifice natural light, awning windows are an ideal solution. Their high placement on walls makes it easy to maintain privacy while still enjoying the benefits of daylight and ventilation. In bathrooms or bedrooms, frosted or textured glass options can further enhance privacy without compromising on style. Easy operation and maintenance. Awning windows are designed with user-friendly features that make them easy to operate and maintain. Their crank handle allows for smooth opening and closing, even in hard-to-reach areas. Maintenance is minimal, as the outward opening design helps keep dirt and debris from accumulating on the frame. Occasional cleaning of the glass and lubrication of the hinges are usually all that's needed to keep these windows functioning optimally. Improved home value. Investing in high-quality awning windows can significantly enhance the value of your home. Prospective buyers in Orangeburg are often drawn to properties with energy-efficient and stylish features, and awning windows tick both boxes. By improving curb appeal, boosting energy efficiency, and enhancing overall comfort, awning windows can make your home more attractive in the competitive real estate market. Conclusion. Awning windows are a smart and stylish choice for Orangeburg homeowners. Their ability to provide ventilation, protect against the elements, and enhance energy efficiency makes them a practical investment. With versatile design options, easy maintenance, and added privacy, these windows can transform the look and functionality of your home. If you're considering upgrading your windows, explore the benefits of awning windows. Consult a local Orangeburg window specialist to find the perfect style and features for your home. With their combination of beauty and practicality, awning windows are sure to enhance your living experience for years to come.